This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
Good Erev Shabbos Rabbi. Let's try to uncover a little bit the oimek hakavana, the depths of the layers of meaning in the words of Rashi, in the words of the Targum. Rashi says on the words, Vayikach Korach, what did Korach take? Lakach es atzmai litzad echad. Korach took himself to one sad. Why does Rashi utilize the expression tzad? Why does he use the expression tzad? Also, Targum says on Vayikach Korach, v'is peleg, that Korach divided. Also, what lays in the kavana of the words of the Targum, v'is peleg Korach? Later on, Rashi says in Parak Tes Zayin, Pasuk Zayin, Parak Tes Zayin, Pasuk Zayin, on the words Rav Lachem B'nei Levi. Rashi says, V'Korach shepikeach haya. Korach was a very smart man. Why does Rashi use the word pikeach? He should say chacham. Rashi says, "V'karach shepikeach haya mara l'shtuseh." What did he see fit to get involved in this shtus? Einoi hatasai, his eye fooled him. Ra shalshelos gadol yotzei mimenu. He saw a great lineage coming from him. Shmuel sheshakol keneged Moshe v'Aaron. Shmuel, who is equal to Moshe and Aaron. Well, again, why does Rashi use that word pikeach? In the Sefer Divrei Torah, the Munkatcher in Chelek Aleph Ois Zayin, he brings down the Minhag Kadosh, the holy custom of Rabbi Tzvi Hersh Mizidachov, that when there was a Sheva Brachos, Rabbi Tzvi Hersh would position the Chassan and Kala in the corner of the room. Why in the Karen Zavis? Why in the corner? Because the corner is mechaber, the two tzidadim, the two sides of the room. So too, the objective of a chasana, the objective of a marriage is to be mechaber, the two tzdadim, the two sides. Therefore, Rav Tzvi Hersh would put them bekeren zavis, the makom hachibur of the shnei tzdadim. Adds the Munkatcher, the word tzad, Gematria 94, is the same Gematria as Mazel Tov. That's the Mazel Tov, when you take tzad and you combine it together. You get Mazel Tov, Mazel Tov. As Rashi says, that the word God, ba-God, Rashi says God is Mazel Tov. Well, says the Sefer Devar Tzvi, Mareches Nun Ois Beis, that this is merumas in the words of Rashi. Because, what's a machlokes? Machlokes is when you have one tzad and another tzad, and each one, neither are able to see the other's point of view. However, a smart person, a wise person, is able to see both vantage points, both angles, and incorporate and get along with both tzedadim. Tzad is 94, but if you combine the two tzedadim, 94, you get 188, pikeach. That's Rashi's question. Rashi's question is, Korach pikeach haya. Korach had that midah. He was able to combine tzad and tzad to make 188. So why did he get involved in the machlokes? No, the answer is Vayikach Korach. He took himself to one side. He was not able to see the other point of view, says the Sefer Devar Tzvi. Well, this amazing remez is also mentioned by the Ropshitzer, quoted in the Sefer of Yisam Li Segula. He brings it in Yiddish. He says, the Ropshitzer Rav hat gesagt, the Ropshitzer Rav said, Die Male von a Pekeach is as b'shas ha-machloikis halter zich mit beide tzdadim. The Maila of a Pikeach is someone who's able to see both points of view. Versteht mit Chachma wie also yoitzi zu sein yedei shteim. How could you fulfill both opinions? Therefore, the remez of Pikeach is, Pikeach is 188, tzad. And what do you do if you have two Pikchim? Pikeach, 188, then you get 376 Shalom. Incredibly, it's like an electrifying Gematria. Shalom 376 is Gematria Pikeach. So I saw in the Sefer Berchas Yitzchak, what caused Korach to go litzad echad? Rashi says Einoi hatasa. He saw Shmuel. Well, Korach, the Gematria of Korach plus ayin is the same gematria as the gematria of Shmuel imha koilal. This is what caused Korach to veer off. But Korach could have had shalom. Korach could have been a pikeach. You know what his problem was? Vayikach ve'is peleg. He divided it. He cut it in half. If you cut Shalom in half, then you only have one wise man, and if you cut that wise man in half, then you have a tzad. And when you have a tzad and a tzad, it's not good. Then you have machlokes. The objective, the limud, is to be able to incorporate tzad and tzad, to make pikeach, to have two pikrim, to create shalom. May we learn from this parsha to be marbe shalom b'Yisrael, Hashem oiz la'amo yitein, Hashem yivarech es amo v'shalom, agun Shabbos.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.